Hey everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Canva color palette generator. Once you go to this site, you will see that you're able to upload an image or try a demo image. If you click on try a demo image, it will give you automatic images that will have already. So if you try the demo image, you will be able to click through some images that you like. Once you find one that you do like, you can copy the colors by clicking on them. And if you go to an empty project and choose the color select option and then paste the color you just copied here, you will be able to use it. Alright, if you want to use your own image, you can. All you need to do is just upload it, and then it will take 4 colors for you from this image, and you can go ahead and copy them and use them as you like. If you scroll down, you will see more color combinations, and you can also create a custom palette with the color wheel. If you want some more detailed explanations on how to use this color wheel, we have a video on that. You can find it in the description. You can also go to this Explore Color Combinations page here, and you will be able to find almost 100 pages of color combinations. If you click on Explore Colors, you can find them in detail and read more about them. Alright, this is how to use the Canva color palette generator. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to try out all premium Canva Pro features, you can claim your 30-day Canva Pro free trial by clicking the link in the description below. We also have a free Canva crash course ebook and a Canva monetization checklist that you can download for free as well. Last but not least, check out our YouTube channels for hundreds of other Canva video tutorials.